another passenger is being unruly. Want to know who is that person? Okay, she needs to check the passenger economy passenger. But I want to know who is this person who is not cooperating on my flight. Really unruly. Unruly passenger. Find out what happened it is. Well, still on hard mode. Of course, you won't get easy mode one, huh? Okay, all good. All good. Big check. Big sisters. All good. Yeah, all good. Okay, all good. Looking at the handphone and reading book. Want to know who I am. Hey, that's one? Yeah, I think so. Sir, can you please bring a seat right? No way, leave me alone. Can you buckle your seatbelt? Hello, do you not hear what I just said? Last warning, can you bring a seat right? For the last time, I am not listening to you. Can you bring a seat right, that's all. I can't wait to see you for this. Can you buckle your seatbelt? Boy, this is ridiculous. This is not acceptable. Of course. Sir, I need you to stop running around the cabin, please. Sir, stay away from me. No. What? This is going to go viral. This is crazy. Flight attendants arrest them. This airline's interesting. Someone do something. Will someone tell me what is going on? This is going to go viral. Oi. This is going crazy. This is going to go viral. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem? Not your business. Not your business. Well, this tell me what's going on. Someone tell me the truth. Do you know who my father is? I don't know. Ah, God. What? Hey, oi, someone help me here. What? You make me a lot of fall, aren't you? Why are you following me? Of course, sir. I already have been taking you already, but I want to show you what you did. What you have that badly done. Oh. Okay, cannot. This is gonna go viral. Sir, I need you to proceed back to your seat. You had me a fall down already. You made me a lot of fall and hit my head, you know. How dare you? You are the one who fell me down from the stairs. You're not going to get away with this. But still, I cannot fast forward the video. I still can hear the passenger was being very annoyed. This is unacceptable. This is your manager. Really? Hello? I can't wait to see you for this. I am so going to get you fired. Hey, you can't do this. This is ridiculous. I'm going to have you arrested. Hey, you can't do this. You are not going to get away with this. I'm going to have you arrested. I am so going to get you fired. This is unacceptable. I want to speak to your manager. I can't wait to see you for this. My dad is Davy Bazooka. You can't treat me like this. This is ridiculous. How dare you? Hello? Really? I am so going to get you fired. You're in trouble right now. I can't wait to sue you for this. So I need you to calm down. My dad is David Bazooka. You can't treat me like this. You are not going to get away with this. This is unacceptable. I want to speak to your manager. This is ridiculous. I'm going to have you arrested. Hey, you can't do this. So, please calm down. Hello? He might be not answering me for no reason. I think everything is okay. Try again. How dare you? Really? Huh? How dare you? I need someone to open the door, please. Just for good. Boys and... Huh? Boys and... Angriest face. Okay, they're marching in. All boys, yeah. Oh, both look like serious face. Okay, I need to fast forward here. Police, you are going to come with us right now. You should be arresting that crazy flight attendant, not me. Twin brothers here. Police and the criminal are the twin brothers. Both are the same hair. We will see what happens next.